Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing slash review of the personal chiller from Walmart. So I've actually seen this all over TikTok. TikTok made me get it. So I just thought to really just show you guys how I'm going to use it and how it looks inside and what it comes with. This could also be a warmer, so you don't have to just use it as a cooler. It could be a warmer too. If you're like a nursing mother and you would like to nurse your baby and keep your baby's milk warm, and also other foods that you might want to keep warm. I don't know. I'm actually going to be using this for my business. I'll actually be keeping things, ingredients that needs to be in a cool area in this. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay. So of course it comes with instructions. I love the smell of new stuff. Am I weird? But they tell you like to write a review, and then they have like things that you need to know. And the chiller looks like this. It's like really small. So we're gonna open it. Oh, and this can also be in a car, so if you're on the go, need this, you're good. It's really small. But I'm actually going to put where you put it in the wall. And I'm actually going to put it right over here. But I'm actually going to plug it in for y'all. Put it in. Oh, and then it has settings in the back where you can have cool or warm. Of course, I'm putting the cool on. Of course, it's not going to get cold right away. Oh, the coldest water, you guys. This water stays cold all dang day. When it says the coldest water, it means the coldest water. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it makes a little bit of sound. It sounds like just like a refrigerator, you know, like when the refrigerator is in the wall or whatever. You can hear it running a little bit. I have some ingredients that I'm going to actually show you guys that I would need to keep in the refrigerator to keep cool. Some people might use this like for skincare if you need to keep your skincare products cool. Some, like I said, nursery. Some people keep it on their vanity. Some people even keep it as like when they're at work or like at a small office, they would keep like some juices or pop or whatever, or water. It's whatever you like to be in there. But of course, like I said, I'm only using it for formulating purposes, so I will only be using it just for my ingredients. So you guys, this is what it looks like inside. It's getting cool. It's definitely feeling cool. It got cool pretty quick. Here are the ingredients I have to keep in the refrigerator. See, refrigerate upon arrival. And then I keep that in there because I already opened it. So when you open it, you have to keep it in the refrigerator. But that is that. So if you would like to get a little small refrigerator for your skincare and or nursing or whatever you want to use it for, this is it. They also have other colors. I've seen a black one too, but I just thought pink would be great. I didn't want to set up the camera, so this is the end. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell below so you get notified when your girl uploads. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.